Using a plastic pry tool, gently lever out the rubber plug as indicated by the green arrow. Next, you will have to loosen the lock cylinder fastener. Use a 4mm Allen bit, green arrow. Loosen it until you can tell it has disengaged from the door lock. The fastener does not come out. Then slide the lock cylinder out of the door. If the lock cylinder doesn't want to come out easily, you can gently lever it out using a plastic prying tool. Grab the exterior door handle and push it towards the rear of the vehicle. The handle will move about 1/4 of an inch towards the rear of the car. Pull the rear section out of the door first. The rear section will detach and you can remove the handle from the door. Inspect the door handle seals and replace as needed. To install the door handle into the door in the reverse order of removing. Depending on the position of the release bracket inside the door, the handle may or may not engage with it automatically. This photo shows the part of the door handle, green arrow, that clips into the catch, yellow arrow, of the release bracket. If the door handle doesn't engage with the catch on the bracket, you'll have to reach inside the door cavity and press the catch towards the door while installing the handle. You will have to remove the door panel to do this, so please see the link at the end of this video for door panel removing instructions. Slide the lock cylinder into the door and tighten the fasteners, then install the trim piece. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.